Welcome to my first video tutorial. Hope you find it useful and enjoy! And for today's tutorial, we'll be talking about Google Classroom. And this tutorial will be very useful for parents and students who have never heard or have never used Google Classroom before.
Guacamole!
Alright, let's get started. So, in order for you to go inside Google Classroom, you have to type classroom.google.com using your internet browser in your laptop or smart devices such as smartphone or tablets. And please type classroom.google.com or simply search it in google.com. I would recommend you to use Google Chrome since it has complete plugins and components for you to use Google Classroom smoothly. So just like what I did, I searched Google Classroom and it appeared as the first website right here. Just simply click and it will be asking you to log in using your Google account. For grade 3 students and above, you have created a Google account with me before. So just log in using those accounts that you guys have already. Now, for grade 1 and 2 students, I will be creating a tutorial for you to create Google account. Don't worry, it's going to be very easy. All right, let's get in. Now, once you're inside Google Classroom, the first thing you got to do is to join a class. If you have been invited to a class, then you should be able to find it in your Gmail. When you open your Gmail, you should see an invitation right there. I can show you something like this. Once you see an invitation like this, just simply click it. Click that email and simply click join. Now, if you're not invited yet to a class, your teacher should give you a code. That code is for you to use in Google Classroom to join his or her class. Now, how do you do it? Very simple. Just simply click this plus button right up here. There will be an option for you to choose either to join class or to create class. Simply click join class. And then right here is where you should type in the class code. Okay, so now what is class code? As you can see, this is an example of a class code that your teacher will give you. So all you got to do, just simply memorize it or copy it somewhere. And then once you're inside your classroom, as I have shown you before, just simply click join class and then paste the code right here and click join. And voila, as simple as that. And then now you are in the class. All right, now as you can see right here, once you're in a class, I would like to remind you, this is the main menu. This is basically to see if there are other classes you have enrolled in. Everything will be listed right here. If you wish to see some calendar, some important dates in your calendar, just simply click it. All right, now once you're inside the calendar, you basically will be seeing some of the reminders that your teacher have given you, such as like this. This is some assignment that you have to finish before March 27. Just something like that. All right, now let's go back to classes again. As you can see, all the classes that you're enrolled in is going to be shown right here. Now let's get inside a class that I'm enrolled in, the ICT class for grade 6. Now, once you're inside, please pay attention to which area you are at right now. You are at the stream. Stream means a place where usually a teacher would post some updates to inform you about what's going on. And you yourself, you can also share something. Just make sure whatever you put in have to be appropriate. And once you're done with stream, now let's move on to the next area, which is called classwork. Now this is basically what Google Classroom all about. As you can see right here, I'm looking at some of the things that my teacher has provided and prepared for me. Number one up here, if you see an icon like this, please be reminded this means material. This means something, this means some lessons that you should learn before you do any other things down here. Okay, all the knowledge, some information, you will get everything here. Now, if you see an icon like this means assignment. Okay, an assignment means something that you have to do. And yes, some assignment also means you have to uh, create the work and turn in the work. And some assignment, it could be a quiz. So by the time you click the link down here, there will be a quiz, usually multiple choice quiz, where you should answer. It's going to look like this. So simply choose the correct answer and submit. It's going to look like that. So that's another kind of assignment. It's called quiz assignment. Some assignment is something that you have to do. So you have to work on it and you have to submit the work. So as you can see right here, I provided two documents. One is an example of what I'm expecting to see, the result, the last result from each of my students. And right here is the one I provided for my student to work on. So when a student got this document, they can simply download it and open the document using Microsoft Word and work on the following um, requirement that I have already prepared. And once you're done, just click add or create right here to submit your file. So your teacher will be able to check, and some assignment will be requiring you to actually create a new document or slide or sheet, which you can see. It's all prepared by Google already right here. So nothing to worry about. Everything could be done within Google Classroom itself. But some assignment, you will be needing some um, extra application that you have to install first inside your computer, because some teachers might put in, let's say, a Keynote file. That means you need to have a Keynote application first in your computer and your laptop before you could actually open the document, something like that. Or like mine right here, it says a .doc. It means you need to have a Microsoft Word installed already before you can open the document that I'm about to give you and edit the document. All right, so when you're done with all the assignment given to you, you can see right here, view your work. You will be seeing all the works that assigned to you, and it could be a great reminder as well. Is there any of the assignment that you are not done with? You can also see it from here. They're actually the same. Meanwhile, for this, that will link you to Google Drive, which you will see all the files that you have turned in before, um, any documents that you attach and give to your teacher. Everything will be listed right here. So this is like your USB. Imagine like a USB in Google, something like that. So that is all about Google Classroom. Is it simple enough? I hope so. For any questions you have in mind, simply type in the comment box below and like the video and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.